Welcome to Immature Designers. Today we will learn one more Figma plugin which looks simple but is really useful. So let's dive into it. This plugin is called Blobs. We can control the plugins. This plugin gives you vector shapes, so we can control the shape's complexity from here. We can change its uniqueness. From here we can do random shapes and then insert it. Now after inserting, I would help you understand the use of this thing. This can be used for presentations. It can be used on onboarding screens, splash screens, on places where you want this shape to be masked upon. So let's just take a mobile screen. On this mobile screen, I'll be putting it, I'm just creating a very random and simple onboarding screen, just helping you understand the use of this. I'll give it a color, a gradient, so linear, and then over here I'll take red, and over here I'll take pink, and I'll do something like this. Great, looks nice. And then I'll just copy this one more time like this. Now I'll write some text on this onboarding screen. Hello, this is a onboarding screen, and then I'll make this text larger, and then I'll shrink this line. I'll make this text larger, I'll bold it, and I'll change its color. And then over here we can write anything. Select all, reduce its size to 24, select all, regular, and then its color can be a little bit brighter, like maybe seafoam. Nice. Copy, paste. 18. This is the text about the screen, and then we can have, small circles over here. This one will be red, and these two can be sequin. So this is your onboarding screen, looking really beautiful. I have done nothing, just the important content I wanted to show. And this vector shapes, these vector shapes are really useful, and right now you're looking at it, this screen looks really good. I've done and created it in just few minutes, just with the help of these blobs. So you can just go and install this plugin right now.